Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ferrari F8 versus BMW M5 CS. We'll dive into what makes each vehicle unique, from their raw power to their daily usability. You'll discover which car truly aligns with your driving desires and lifestyle. We'll explore their engines, handling characteristics, and overall driving impressions. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their strengths and weaknesses. Let's get started and find your perfect match. When it comes to raw power, both cars are incredibly impressive. The Ferrari F8 Tributo with its mid-mounted twin-turbocharged V8 screams to life, offering an exhilarating 710 horsepower. This allows for blistering acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The BMW M5 CS, while a sedan, is no slouch either. Its front-mounted, twin-turbo V8 produces 627 horsepower, launching it to 60 in a mere 2.9 seconds as well. Both offer incredible speed.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome car content. And speaking of performance, just like these cars are engineered for precision, you can engineer your meals for success. Quick recommendation. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your fuel fresh, whether you're heading to the track or the office. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
The driving experience is where these two truly diverge. The Ferrari F8 Tributo delivers an unadulterated supercar thrill, with razor-sharp handling and an engine note that's pure music. It feels incredibly connected to the road, making every turn an event. The BMW M5 CS, on the other hand, offers a more versatile experience. It's a luxury sedan that can transform into a track monster at the push of a button, providing a surprisingly comfortable ride for daily driving while still delivering immense performance when you demand it. It's a master of duality. Beyond performance, practicality and value are key considerations. The BMW M5 CS shines here, offering seating for four and a generous trunk, making it a surprisingly capable daily driver. You can easily take the kids to school or run errands. The Ferrari F8 Tributo, however, is a dedicated two-seater, designed purely for driving pleasure, not grocery runs. Its focus is entirely on performance and exotic appeal. Naturally, the Ferrari also comes with a much higher price tag, reflecting its supercar status and exclusivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.